This is WAEC June 2023 General Mathematics Paper 2, and we are answering question number 7A, and the question reads the sum of three numbers is 81. And those three numbers says the second number is twice the first. And given that the third number is 6 more than the second number, the question asked is to find those numbers. So let's attempt to answer this very question together. Solution to the problem, what we do first is to let any letter to be one of those numbers, preferably the very first number. So let x be the very first number. The second number is twice the first. So it will now implies that the second number is now going to be 2x, meaning 2 times x, if x is the very first number. And the third number is 6 more than the second number. This is the second number, 2x. So the third number is now going to be second number plus 6, because it is 6 more than the second number. So these are the three numbers, x, 2x, and 2x plus 6. And the sum of these three numbers in the question, it says it is 81. So you now find their sum, or attempt to find the sum. So that sum is now going to be x, the very first number, plus the 2x, which is the second number, plus 2x plus 6, which is now the third number, and this sum is 81. So if I now substitute, I have 81 equals to, collecting like times x plus 2x, that gives you 3x, plus this 2x, that will give you 5x, then plus 6. So taking this 6 to the left-hand side, y to change it to minus, so you have 81 minus 6, which gives you 75. Equals to 5x. Dividing both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 5, will enable you to get x as 15. So the very first number is now 15. So you can now use this to find the second number. The second number is now going to be 2x, and the x is now 15. So you now have 2 times 15, which gives you 30. And the third number, which is now 2x plus 6, you now replace the x by 15. So you now have 2 times 15 plus 6. 2 times 15 is 30. 30 plus 6, that gives you answer 36. So the three numbers are 15, 30, and 36. These are the three numbers, and this answered the question. So let me just share with you quickly how marks were distributed in this very question, as it is contained in the official WAEC marking scheme. So the very first mark is the method mark, and this method mark is for writing this equation correctly, for summing the numbers correctly. So that's give you this method 1 mark. Trying to solve this very equation at this level where you divide both sides by 5, that gives you another method 1 mark. And when you have x as 15, your very first number accurately, that gives you this accuracy 1 mark. The next mark is getting the second number as 30 exactly. That gives you this accuracy 1 mark. And the last mark, when you have the third number as 36 exactly, you have this accuracy 1 mark. So in total, this question has 5 good marks.